welcome to Yardie Belly's Kitchen, and today we're going to be doing a quick and easy dish, and we're going to do some chop suey. Yes, chop suey, and we're use shrimp, right? Let me show you real quick what we have. We have 3 large carrots right here, some broccoli, scallions, we have 1 onion, piece of ginger, some garlic over here, and we have 1 large pak chow right there. So all right, so first thing is first, I'm gonna chop up everything, and then we start the cooking. May I show you the shrimp when we done tie it in a soak over this. So all right, here's my raw shrimp, yeah, and she's them big, them raw, and they've been deveined, and we just have them in some water and with them lemon juice, you know, for just get the fishy smell they have for them. They don't really smell that way, you know. They were previously frozen, and so this is what I'm gonna use. And I have the portion I have is like 4 of these shrimp per person. Yeah, cause we not really consume a whole heap of flesh, you know, no whole heap of food and thing. We want mainly vegetable. So like we get this thing going, all right. May I chop up some vegetable, all right. Okay guys, so I have my shrimp here, and what I've added, I tried to do a video and it never worked out. What I've added so far is I've added garlic, I've added some Old Bay. Let me show you guys the Old Bay. I've added some lemon pepper, and I've added just a little bit of my Jodie's Kitchen. I've also added some ground black pepper, and I've added, what else I add? See?
Turmeric.
Oh yeah, I add some turmeric. I added some turmeric. Let me show you if you can focus, yeah. And then I added some Thai fish sauce. That's what's there. Yeah, my video stopped. Me don't know why it stopped. The video is just so spoiled.
In one way.
In one way. Burns me. Anyway, the fish sauce is optional, but the fish sauce get a nice flavor. But the wifey don't like it.
But I like how it smells, but I like
it. It smell really like something spoiled. But it's actually a fermented smell. It's just because we in the side of the world, I don't really use fermented you know, fermented foods and stuff like that. So you just want to mix this up, incorporate this, and you want to put it down and make it marinate for just a couple minutes, you know. Yeah, and then we're going to quickly stir fry them shrimp here, just to make them catch some color, and then we start on the rest of our chop suey. Yeah, all right, so chop suey time. Okay, so we're gonna start with something now. Add some peanut oil, and then I'm gonna add my garlic, all of my garlic, all of my garlic. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get all the garlic out of this. Bear with me. No, make it stay low. Make it stay low. Because I don't want my garlic burn till I put in the rest of stuff, you know? Yeah. I never chop up the onion, so I want to chop up the onion right quick. So I'm putting in my garlic and make that go and release some flavors. And then I'm going to come right back with the rest of stuff then. I'm going to put in my broccoli. Because the broccoli take a little time. Everything we want to put in first. Tell me now. Put in my pak chow first.
I don't know. I thought you were cooking the shrimp first.
Oh. Totally forgot. Never remember. I'm going to put in my garlic. Anyway, I put in my shrimp in. So I'm going to turn up the stove a little bit. And then I put in my shrimp them. Yeah? Alright. So now I'm going to just add my shrimp. I'm going to add all of the marinating liquid. And the fish sauce, guys, trust me, the smell is different. But you have to get used to it because it works. You understand? It really works. Alright, and so See how quick my shrimp them are ready to make the move. You just pretty much want to get your shrimp them to that place. You don't want them start cook too long before you start adding the rest of the ingredients them. Because I got to take them out and put them one side and stuff, but I can't bother. I honestly can't bother. So I just got to add in everything and put the pot, make the pot do its thing right quick. Yeah? Them real chop suey there from them time there. Alright, so next thing to add now. I add me pak chow. Yeah. Pak chow, I go spring some water, but you just keep stirring it and hope for the best. I want everything cook right fast. I don't want the pak chow wilt too much. Again, my cooking method may be different, guys. You can do it your way. No hard and fast. You just want to do it right quick and get it done. You see me?
But that's how them cook pak chow still. They
Me
do the
know,
meat
but
first and then you add the veggies.
usually, you know, I might say you should have take out the shrimp first and all of that. Yeah. Them cooking on much hotter flames than what I'm using. You know, especially the authentic Chinese version. The flames is much hotter and the stir frying go on, you know, in a different level. So we just have to just make do. And as I said, this is a quick and easy recipe. It's not no. Yeah. So just bear with me. But it look good though.
Very good.
Look very good. Yeah. Yeah, and the shrimp them just start cooking. You know. So the inside of them really still white and pretty. And yeah, see the picture how quick it wilts. Alright, next thing I'm gonna add my broccoli and my carrots. Yeah. And my Julie and the carrot them for the crunch.
Brother and the cousins.
Yes, man. Watch out, man. Food ready, you know?
You know what is missing? Guess.
What?
You know those little baby corns?
Oh. May I look at me having eaten at the cupboard. I always have some other stuff in the cupboard. Watch your man.
Chestnut.
Watch your man. Look the man.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just gonna add my onion. I just gonna add everything, man. You can't bother. Everything. Onion gone in. Remember me tell you. Wait there, that onion you take long to cook it. Yeah.
This is regular onion or sweet onion?
Regular onion.
Clean eating with like
Remember, I told you.
around here.
No dirty eating.
And then we gonna add some oyster flavor sauce.
Sir.
See that? Lee Kum Kee oyster flavor sauce. No worry about it, no worry about it. I'm not put too much. Okay, you notice I don't put any salt, right?
Right.
Yes, sir. That's my baby.
Do you think a little sweet chili sauce would work?
I'm gonna put that on my own personal plate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna use some pepper. Some pepper flakes. And just a little seasoning salt.
Seasoned
Yeah, seasoned it.
salt. Not MSG. It's flavored salt.
Yeah. And I swear, me I like it off now. Yeah, I lock it off right now.
Yes.
Locking it off right now. Bang! And then me put in my green onion. Hee. Chicken chop suey. Suey.
I mean shrimp.
Oh, shrimp, yeah. Alright. That's it, guys. I'll put in a plate and serve it up when we're done. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And here is the finished plate, guys. We just serve it over some pasta. Yeah, man. See there? The shrimp and the thing and it look good here. May I tell you, say it looks so stupendous and very, very mantagamous. Yeah. Put shrimps now. Put shrimps. Yes. Watch it. Watch it. That's my chicken, my shrimp. Why am I keep saying chicken? My shrimp chop suey. Yeah. Served over some pasta and thing. Yeah. And may I tell you, say there's something does look good. Watch it. You can try this in your neck of the woods, you understand? In your home, in your kitchen. Try this. Yeah? And I promise you're not gonna be disappointed. Once again, Yardie Belly TV, Yardie Belly's Kitchen. Remember to check out my description box for ways in which you can connect with Yardie Belly, and also, ways in which you can just link with it. Alright, share, subscribe, comment, like, everything. Remember me tell you, yeah? Big up on yourself, remember. Live and laugh, cook and eat.